Okay, now as far as your group planning size is concerned, it is carried out in 5 stages. कितने stages में होता है? 5. Now what is the stage 1? That it will introduce the model to the rest of the group. Now after that, the GT will narrate the story, or you can call it the narrative which is there. In the third stage, you will be given 5 minutes to go through the narrative. After 5 minutes, your narrative will be collected back. Now, in the next stage, you will be given 10 minutes to write your individual solution on a white sheet of paper which will be given to you. You will get 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, your written solution will be collected back. Now, after that, you will be sitting in a semicircle and discussing about various group problems which are there, and you have to reach to a common group solution. Understood? And at the end of your common group solution, any of you can get up and give the group solution. It does not matter who gives it. You have already done it in PGT like that. Okay. Any questions? Okay. Now, after the introduction of the model, when the narrative comes, now as far as the narrative is concerned, your narrative will always start with the sentence, irrespective of the SSB you are going, whether you are going for Army, Navy, Air Force. Your narrative will always start with a word that you are a group of students, and as many of you are in a group, going on, coming from, कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहे हो, किस जगह जा रहे हो, and किस टाइम पर आपको पहुंचना है, and what is the mode of transport in which you are going. Understood? Next is, normally 3 to 4 problems will be there, and there which you have to solve. Next thing, that at the end of your narrative, 2 more things will be written, that what is time now is, and mobile services are not available, any reason can be given. Understood? Any questions? Now, we have talked about introduction, then we have talked about the narrative. Now what will happen, that once you write your solution, how should you go about writing your solution? Because 10 minutes will be given to write your solution. So how should you write your solution? Solution will be written under 4 headings. First is aim. What is the meaning of aim? Aim का मतलब क्या है? Aim means the first thing which I have told you in the previous slide, that you are a group of students, कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहे हो, that is your aim, and what time you have to reach is your aim. Okay. Now next is problems as per priority. Problems as priority means certain problems will be there. As I have told you, 3 to 4 problems will be there. You have to prioritize them 1, 2, 3, 4. And how should you prioritize them? The human priority is always given the first priority, or the first human problem is given the first priority. Second priority is given to the national problems which are there. What are the examples of national property? Railways or or okay. You already are generally right. These are the things which are provided by the government. Now third and fourth problem will be as per ingenuity, that what problem, how you want to solve them, that will be as per you. Okay. Next is resources available. What is the meaning of resources available? What is the meaning of resource in Hindi? Suvidha, sadhan, which now which all will be available. Like first of all, I have told you, as many of you are in a group. पहले तो तुम्हारा group जितने का है, that is one resource. Second resource क्या होगा? जिस how you are coming, किस में आ रहे हो? अगर पैदल आ रहे हो तो कोई रिसोर्स नहीं है, बट इफ यू आर कमिंग एनी अदर मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट, उसका होगा कि नहीं होगा? नाउ थर्ड विल बी, नाउ तुम कोई वो जादूगर तो हो नहीं, और कुछ ऐसा है नहीं कि जिससे कि तुम्हें पता लग जाए कि प्रॉब्लम्स कहाँ होंगी. somebody will come and inform you. Okay. Then the person who comes and informs you how is coming. First resource is that person who has come. Second is how he has come, कैसे आया वो. whether he has come in vehicle, motorcycle पे है, गाड़ी में है, car में है, truck में है, whatever it is there, how he has come, that is also your resource. In that way, you will get an idea of the resources which are there, because somebody will come and inform you, because 3 to 4 problems are there. कोई problem आपके सामने होती है, some will come and inform you, some will be at a distance. Okay. Now these problems, as far as your model is concerned, it will be spread throughout the model. Now, if this is the model, if this side is north, which side is east?
Right.
ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. Now scale 10 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Now other places of interest, if you can see a red line. This is a metal road, or you can call it Pakki Sadak. This side it's going to Sahabad, which is 18 kilometers. This side is going to Gunjanpur, which is 5 kilometers. This metal road is going to the place called CRPF camp. Now double dotted lines indicate a footpath, or you can say it is unmetal road or Kachi Sadak. Now here it is going to Alibad. From here it is going to Fisherman's Village. Here it is going to farmhouse. From here, from T junction to water sport, and then to Fulpur, which is 18 kilometers. This is the river direction of flow this side. This is a railway line direction. This is Sabad is 18 kilometers this side, and Fulpur is 15 kilometers this side. Any questions? College students, as many of you are in a group going from Gunjanpur to Sabad University in a van to attend a function to get best college trophy at 6 p.m. As you were near the farmhouse, the van driver accidentally hits a tree and the driver got seriously injured. Fortunately, you all escaped unhurt. Meanwhile, you were contemplating what to do. You heard the cries of watchman who was tied up to the chair near farmhouse gate. He informed you that the 4 persons had forcefully robbed the farmhouse, and now they are heading to plant a bomb on the railway bridge on the railway line to cause damage to the passenger train starting from Sabha to Fulpur at 4:45 p.m. After planting the bomb, these 4 men would assemble at ruined fort to rob Gramin Alibad Bank at 5:30 p.m. The watchman also informs you that before proceeding to plant the bomb, they had thrown the only pet dog of the farmhouse in the well so that pet dog doesn't alarm anyone. Mobile lines, or you can say telephone lines, in this area are not functional due to short circuit of the mobile tower and the telephone exchange covering this area. Time now is 3:30 p.m. As bold young candidates, what will be your course of action? Any
So gentlemen, so we should go step by step.
And as I have set the priorities, so first we will tackle the injured driver, and after that we will tackle the Shabat bombing and Shabat bombing of railway, and third we will tackle the Alibad banking, and fourth we will tackle the dogs. So if the group agrees, the priorities are set by this.
Okay. So now we should gentlemen, initially they are near the farmhouse. I think the problems are very well set by the chest number 24. Now we should come to the resources. As we are a group of 10 people. Yeah, he has mentioned that.
Already
added the. He has already mentioned that.
So in resources we have one van, we have one workable van, and we can
Yeah,
also
we can also
about
count 2 vehicles and about.
And
the watchman also.
We also can take the lift from anybody as it's a
Yeah, we can also take the agreement. So now discuss the solution.
And also the CRPF soldiers and their vehicles are also we can consider as resources.
Now, gentlemen, we should come to the solution.
We
As
should,
And the airport of first priority we should that way.
I think,
Gentlemen, now we have discussed the
Now I
resources,
think we
should
should
come to
divide
the
the group.
solution that the accident has occurred near the farmhouse.
We get the first aid.
I think that we should, gentlemen, I think we should first divide the group.
So I think in the group,
I think we should divide the group.
We should first tackle the driver that is
And
injured.
thereafter rescue the dogs.
We can go to the initially we can go to the farmhouse and give him the initial
Gentlemen, I would
first
like
aid
to
kit,
give one
which will
point
help
that, gentlemen, I would like to give one point that we should divide our group first. That two person can move to Gunjanpur while taking the injured person,
And the
and
dog also.
and
with the other
no,
vehicle driver.
listen first. And the 8 person can move towards Shahabad with the watchman, and the bridge they can divide into 4 and 4. 4 can move to the CRPF camp, and there they can there they can
Gentlemen,
inform
just number 21, I would like to add a point that before going to Gunjanpur.
Gentlemen, I think that we must also.
Now,
we
gentlemen,
must
we have
prioritize
divided
the dog
into
also.
4, 4, 2.
And if we are sending
Gentlemen,
to-
the dog is the last priority. Gentlemen,
As we can add a point that before going to Gunjanpur, as you said in your earlier point, we can go to the farmhouse and provide the driver the initial first aid kit, and also
okay,
there we can help the
as there is a
dog
first
rescue
aid
the
in the
dog.
van, also we can provide the first aid to the van.
Rescue the dog also, as I would like to add.
Gentlemen,
point that
I would
we
like
have
to-
with watchman and with watchman and with watchman and
Gentlemen,
our-
I would like to-
our
At the same time, we
people-
release
Gentlemen, I would like to
Yes,
offer
save
point
the
that,
dog life
for this problem,
with the-
what I think is that 2 persons which are going to Gunjanpur while returning, they will solve the problem of dog.
And they will also bring a mechanic with them so that they can repair the accidental van.
The dog is in the van. It's also important. So I think-
Okay, gentlemen, I think we are wasting our time on dog. We should. Discuss the
Gentlemen,
problem first.
let me clear the point that first of all we will providing initial first aid kit at the
And then
farmhouse
the
to the
two person
driver,
will take
and
the
the
driver
half
to
of the group will
Gunjanpur.
be rescuing the dog.
Okay, now gentlemen, this problem is solved that 2 persons will take the main injured man to the Gunjanpur, and now we should come to the next problem.
We should also discuss how they will be going to the Gunjan.
Yeah.
Two problems will be solved simultaneously, as we can 4% left, the 4% there, that 2% will take the injured person to
Gentlemen,
Gunjanpur.
as-
And one of them will let me complete. And the 2 persons who are there will take the help of farmhouse persons, and watchman is also there, and they can take out the bad dog. And also our 3 and 6 persons are also there. Our 3 persons will go to at the junction spot, and they will there. And it is a junction that the roads are coming, that they will let traffic police is also there.
Gentlemen, I
Obviously,
partially
I
agree
think-
with you that as I have earlier said, the 2 persons which have gone to Gunjanpur, they have enough time. While returning, they can solve the problem of dog. And now we should.
dog is in the
Because
van.
you are told that
And
time is
also
time.
13 has also
Gentlemen,
posted
I-
that,
Gentlemen,
and
all-
and the watchman and the
We can take help the man.
now statement is available in the
Okay, gentlemen,
that
I
is solving
We
the
can
dog.
solve the problem.
Gentlemen, I got your point that.
Gentlemen, as just number 21 is saying, 2 people
And
will be
also,
going to
gentlemen,
Gunjanpur, that 2 people going to Gunjanpur.
Okay,
How they
gentlemen.
will be going to Gunjanpur,
Okay, gentlemen,
and
we
other
can-
people how they will going to the
just number 10, we can agree to the point that
we can take
and
We can take the help of
Why-
vehicle from farmhouse. If the farmhouse, we can take the
Okay, you are saying that there is a farmhouse, there will be any vehicle like van or car.
Gentlemen, I am agree to chest number 12 that while 2 persons are taking out the dog, then they can also repair the van.
And
I think
Now we can-
person also should stay at the gentlemen. I think while we are taking out the dog, at the same time we can repair the van also.
I think that will is not a 2%
who have gone to Gunjanpur bring back the mechanic with them and not have not injured, not the van is defected severely.
Okay,
So we can, so the 8 people can go to CRPF
can
can.
And we can take help the vehicle. Gentlemen, that's what I'm saying, that while the 2 persons will take out the dog, some of the people can repair the van. And the
Gentlemen, I think so our group has agreed that the van is workable and
Yeah.
not has defected.
So they can repair
They
it.
don't need of repairing it.
They can
Okay.
Use it.
Now,
Okay, gentlemen.
so rest of the 6 persons.
So gentlemen, CRPF.
Yes.
Okay, let's talk about the next priority.
Gentlemen, I would like to add one more point and just to qualify that. When we are taking the van, 2 groups will be in the van, and at the junction point, 1 group will go by
Gentlemen.
the river to to the Rune Fort, and one group will directly go to
Gentlemen,
Shahbaz.
I'm partially
Gentlemen, instead of this, we can add a simply, we can 8 of the person will be going to CRPF camp.
They can divide
There
into
we can,
four.
they can divide into 4 group.
Yeah, gentlemen.
Where
They
they
can
can
divide
get
into
a van, another van from the CRPF camp and go to the Alibad, and remaining group will be going to.
I think
Ruined Fort and
Gentlemen, I
Alibad
don't-
ban.
Okay, the four of us will go to the Sabha to inform the RPF about the position of the train.
In which we are wasting time that informing CRPF.
Because we have also, gentlemen, we have to also take the bomb squad with us. We have to also take the bomb squad, gentlemen. I think that.
robbery is going to
Okay,
take
gentlemen,
place, and they can
Gentlemen,
all
these civilians are doing that, they have any idea that he has security and all.
Gentlemen, what I think that case number 10 has given a very valid point that we should divide into two groups, 4 and 4, because we don't know if the culprits have planted the bomb. So we should also inform the bomb squad as it is present at CRPF camp.
From the CRPF camp we can disperse in the group.
Before 4:45
Yeah.
thereafter.
And gentlemen,
we can also inform
now I would like to add one more point that now.
Gentlemen, if you agree with me, then there is no need to. There is no need to.
I would like to add one more point that as we are going to CRPF camp, we should not take the whole group. We should divide much more into two groups. That one group will go to Shahbaz and inform the railway.
Gentlemen,
protection
that's
force
what
and the
I
railway
would like to
staff,
add one point
and
that-
one will go to CRPF camp and inform the.
Gentlemen, the group
I
has
think if we
been-
do, so
the-
if we are dividing the group before CRPF camp, but second group will.
Gentlemen, I think the 4 people who are going towards the railway bridge, they can divide
Yes,
into
yes,
two
I
and
agree. Yes, I agree.
Gentlemen, I think the 4 people who are going towards the
We will,
railway bridge, they can divide into 2
two
and 2,
more
and the
subgroups.
2 people can go to the Shahbaz railway station and inform the
I think-
about the
I
other.
think, gentlemen,
Yeah,
then-
I
and-
think, gentlemen, it is not
Gentlemen,
necessary to
let me
inform the railway station because
Yes,
as a
gentlemen,
CRPF
it's
people
necessary.
are going there and they are diffusing the
No,
bomb.
but
So I think
gentlemen,
it is not necessary to.
but gentlemen, the 4 services are not available. We should take care all the precautions. We are not
Yes, and I also like to add one point that RPF is specifically made for railways only.
Gentlemen, we can also-
it has the,
yeah.
it has the specific authorities. That is why we should inform the RPF also.
Gentlemen, we can also take the-
RPF is some other.
gentlemen, if you
other
disagree,
paramilitary force and-
If you agree with me, our 6%
into 2 people, one will go to Shahbaz and inform RPF.
Two people
about the
can go to
bomb
Shahbaz.
planted, and thereafter one team will go to CRPF.
And the bomb squad can also come to the railway
Yes,
bridge.
thereafter they'll inform the CRPF camp about the Ruin Fort that the robbers will meet at 5:30 and they can take one team. to
And
Ruin
gentlemen,
Fort.
the 4
Gentlemen, let's make it simple that 4 people are going to the Shahbaz railway
Gentlemen, I would
station
like
and
to
4
add
are
one
going
point
to
that
the.
the bomb squad is going to railway bridge. It can detonate the bomb, and they can also take the watchman to keep an eye on the as he will recognize the culprits. And the 4 people who have gone to CRPF they can move towards the Rune Fort and they can just plant everything there and they can.
They can just
the
inform the
culprits.
bank and the buy
local
station
police.
nearby the police station.
We can also take help from the CRPF.
Yeah, they
They
can take the CRPF
at
and
Shahbaz,
ask them.
then there will be no robbery in Alibad.
But
After
gentlemen,
that,
no, gentlemen,
But gentlemen, for being for the security purpose, if they have planted the bomb earlier and they are
Yeah.
leaving,
No, I think
the bomb will
so.
be blasted at 4:45. They are leaving earlier.
When
The
I
narration
was
was not
at 5:30 PM, the culprits will plant the bomb.
No, gentlemen, you are wrong. At 5:30 they are going to rob the bank at the Alibad.
4:45.
Yes, 4:45,
It's
yes.
not for 4:45. It was about the train. The 4:45.
Yes,
the
we
train
have
is
the
leaving.
reason
It's not mentioned if
It
they have
is
planted
mentioned
or not
timing.
planted. So
And it is harmful for the train.
Before the time we should to reach.
Gentlemen, it's not the time of plantation of bomb. It is the time of train which is leaving at Shahbaz. So we should. 4 people can keep an eye at the railway bridge, and the bomb squad can detonate the bomb, and they will be caught at the Dune Fort.
Okay, so
I
gentlemen,
think-
Yeah,
Instead of
You
a
agree
keeping
with
eye on
that?
railway, we can simply make that only they have informed the CRPF and they have sent the watchman with the CRPF so that he can recognize
As
if
a-
he
Yeah.
saw the.
So the okay,
As
gentlemen.
also victim
Gentlemen,
and
Gentlemen, if
witness
the
of
group
that.
agrees, if the
I think
if the group
that
agrees
Jasmine
with
has a
the-
valid point that the watchman, instead of going to railway bridge, he can go to CRPF camp, and from there he can move with the CRPF Jawan to the Dune Fort.
I think, gentlemen, if the group agrees with my point, then no problem. If the group doesn't agree, then we will amend it. I think there is no need to send a person to Shahbaz. As our 6% on the junction there, we will send the 3% to CRPF.
Gentlemen,
As
there are
the-
8 people.
Gentlemen, let me complete. As our 4% we have sent it that side, or 6% are there, then we send 3% to
But
CRPF.
gentlemen, 2% has
Let me
gone to
complete,
Gunjan
gentlemen. Our 3% go to CRPF as they are interlinked to the police stations and also RPF stations also. So CRPF will also inform the RPF that if the train will not start, then the bomb will not blast.
How they will be informing the RPF? At least
I
how they will
partially
be informing
agree
as there are no phone facilities are available. They are we have to go to the railway station to inform the authorities about that they have to delay the train.
Yeah,
He
the
said
phone
that
services
all
are not
means of
available.
communication.
Yeah.
What is all means of communication
It
was
is
not
also-
available.
But generally-
so in a briefing, it was told
Yeah.
that all means of communication.
amending
So in wireless is also
But
in communication.
I agree with chess number 24 that we must not include this communication part.
Yeah.
If the group
Yes,
We have already discussed
all means of
Gentlemen, I think we have already discussed and we are coming to a final solution.
part of communication. So we must solve the problem without that question.
Gentlemen, I think we should take a-
If one team is going to let Shahbaz and inform the RPF team, and thereafter we have decided that one team will go to CRPF. I
Yeah.
think that we must not augment our discussion. If we have to
Gentlemen,
go
I would like to
on-
add on one point that as you mentioned, one team is going to Shahabad. The 4 people who have gone to Shahabad, they can divide in 2 and 2. The two person will go to Shahabad and 2 person will stay at the bridge. We can do like that.
What the two people will be doing at the bridge?
They can keep an eye on the
They are
like.
not enough. The 4 people should be there.
And what is the need of
I
sending
think
4
simply
people to
that we can
Shahabad?
make that the 4 people are gone to the Shabad, inform the authorities and came back to the point of the river where the 4
But gentlemen,
junction
the
are being
people who are going to,
located.
I would like to add one point that the people who are going to Shahabad, there is no need to returning back because all
they
will
have
be going to
to-
Shahabad.
Yes.
Yes, correct. I agree with Chester 21 that
Yes, only CRPF soldiers will come back.
The people who have already reached Shahabad, they will not come back.
Okay, so gentlemen, the Alibag person, the 4 persons are going to Alibag. They will
Yeah.
be coming at the junction and they will
They
taking
will
up one
also
person
went to the
that will be
junction
coming from
They
the
will meet at the
Gunjanpur.
junction.
Gentlemen, I think
Okay.
so. I think so. We can leave those four people,
Two
which
peoples.
have gone to Gunjanpur, and
Two people.
six people can attend the best university award, and on behalf of them, they can also address the people.
Gentlemen,
No, but
I'm
they-
partially
gentlemen, I think
agree
it's a
with- Gentlemen, I partially agree with.
Gentlemen,
Because they have enough time and also they have resources available.
Gentlemen, I think it will be
Gentlemen,
better
as
if the
we-
all people are being present at the function because it is said that a group of 10 people are going to attend it.
It is very evident that all people are attending the award, but if the situation is like that, so and if we have time constraint, so even 6 people can also attend the award.
But they have
Gentlemen,
all the
we can
resources, they have
simply
all the
take a-
resources and they also have enough time to
Gentlemen,
reach
I would
there.
like to add one point that the 2 persons which have gone to Gunjanpur, they have 2.5 hours. So they will just admit the driver and then
It will
they'll
take
just
them half an
drive
hour and
to
they will be
Shahabad.
reaching to the
Only
junction
one
after
hour of time.
around
And
1
two
after
persons have not have only one task to give
I
the
would like
first
to
aid to
add
the
one more point to chess number 21 that they can inform one of their mates in Gunjanpur to
to care of the
yes, to attend the hospital.
okay.
To attend the
To take care of the driver.
And that's how we can
Yes,
all the 10
thereafter
persons
we-
can attend the function.
Yes,
Now I think we should decide
They can leave it
timings
at
of the
the-
events that are happening.
Just number 21, I like to correct that in the southeast direction we have 2 works. One is to give the medication facilities to the injured
Driver.
person and to rescue the dog also.
Yes.
So we have to leave 4 persons
The,
there that 2 persons
The
can go to
dog has
hospital
been
and-
rescued in
So
the early
gentlemen, we
stage
can
also.
simply get a 2-person
I
provided
think
initial
gentlemen,
first
it would be
aid.
great.
Initial first aid to the driver at farmhouse and help the dog.
Also, we have rescued the dog.
Yeah,
earlier
in the
also.
early
Earlier
stage
also.
we have rescued it.
We have untied the watchman and we have
And-
others.
and we-
Gentlemen, while we were repairing the some person repairing the van, some persons have already
We
rescued
can
the
take the
dog.
manpower which is available in the farmhouse also.
Okay.
Yes,
The
the
watchman is
Watchman
also
was
watchman is
available
already.
also.
Yes, yes, yes.
So now I think you can let decide that
Okay, so gentlemen, let's decide the timings of our
Now,
events that are happening there.
Gentlemen, I think we should clear one point that 4 persons are going to Shahabad or only 2 persons are going.
4 persons are going to Shahabad.
Person are going to Shahabad and 4 person to the Alibag.
And they will be there only. The
Okay.
4 person who are going to
Okay,
Alibag, they
now
will meet
4
the-
persons
Four
and
for
watchmen to the CRPF camp and 2
Okay.
persons to the Gunjanpur. And now we should discuss about the third problem, which is the ruin fort, to catch the culprits at the ruin fort.
I think gentlemen, we can the same way the 4 people who have gone to the CRPF camp, they can go to the Aligarh.
So, gentlemen, I would like to add one point that we have discussed that we will go to Rainford by Pagdandi and but I
We
would
can
like
take
to
the
add one
CRPF
point.
jawans
We
with
can-
also.
We can go with that. We can go by the river means also by the waterways.
Okay.
also.
We can go.
I would like to add a point that if we are in a CRPF camp, there must be vehicles.
There must be vehicle
We can-
available, so the
we can
soldiers
go
are
to the-
available.
So that is a
So they can easily go with the
footpath
soldiers.
and in footpath.
It
Gentlemen, it's not a footpath.
It's not a footpath.
It is a kachi sadak. It is mentioned in the when the briefing was
Watchman
given.
is recognize the all the robbers, so we should to take the help to watchman to go to the CRPF camp.
Gentlemen,
and
I
again
think
back
that
to the
I think that
junction.
for the
Then
third
we should go
problem,
to the left
as
committed
mentioned by 45, there must be a vehicle, so we can take easily a vehicle, and there is no need of
Gentlemen,
changing the
as
vehicle
the
to boat.
four
It
people
will
are
have
going to the
reduced lesser
CRPF camp.
time.
There, the CRPF camp it must be containing some vehicles, so they can
And also, as
take a
mentioned by
vehicle.
chest number 5, we can take the CRPF jawans with us, as we don't know if the
Gentlemen,
culprits are having weapons.
Gentlemen, don't you think that our group will first go to CRPF camp and then will return return
Yeah,
to
I totally
Alibaug?
agree with what you
We will take the waterways and directly, and the person, then two people who are going to CRPF informing the bombing of the at the Sabal will inform the same information at which is going to take place in
But before the
Alibaug.
time-
So CRPF will only go to Alibaug without any our volunteers.
But just
And
not
our
we should
volunteers-
but they have linked some person here, CRPF.
I think, gentlemen,
some of
chest
the
number 20,
I think
no,
gentlemen,
I would like to correct you that
chest number 24, I partially agree with you, because we should also go with the CRPF jawans, and we should also take the watchman with us, because it is-
Because watchman is the only way to recognize the culprits.
But we will recognize the culprit at Shahabad, not at the Alibaug.
Yes, chest number 24 is saying very good point that the watchman is going with CRPF at the Shahabad railway station.
We will
So
recognize
they
the
will be
culprit at
recognizing the
Shahabad,
culprit at
not at
Shahabad.
But they have planned
But if in any case, sir,
Earlier discussed, the watchman is helping to take out the.
Gentlemen, I think there is a little bit confusion. Gentlemen,
available there.
They are not available
So
there.
I think so,
They have
Chester
planted the
said
bomb
that
there.
Watchman is helping the take out
Gentlemen,
the dog.
what I think is that-
How much time
But
will take?
how much? Yes, correct. Chester number
Gentlemen, I think
it will take around 5 to 10 minutes in rescuing the dog.
chest number 10, I think that there is a little bit confusion.
While we will giving the first aid to the driver,
Driver at the
we
farmhouse.
will taking the dog
Gentlemen,
out of the van.
I would like to add one point that
there is a confusion because we
Yeah.
said that
the culprits have already reached the ruin fort. They have planted the
They
bomb
just
and
only
they have
planted
gone
the
to
bomb there.
ruin
They
Okay,
are
so
not
if the
available
group
there.
say- if the group says that culprit have already reached the
fort. So the watchman should go to the ruin fort.
yes,
Okay,
And
alright.
they've already-
So the fourth student will be going to the Alibada and informing the bank authorities and nearby police station about the robbery. Which will be happening.
And the CRPF jawans can take care of the culprits.
Yeah,
and take the,
And as soon as they will be informing the
Yeah.
authorities, they will
And
leave
then-
for the junction.
and as soon as the watchman will inform the CRPF
And four
jawans
of them-
about the culprits, they can catch them.
And four of them will go to the Sabah with the and after
They will be there, staying there only.
They can take a lift.
because our aim is to reach the Sabah.
He is badly injured, so it is a bad idea to take a lift.
Okay, so we can send a van to the Gunjanpur, and
No,
the 8 person
I
can
agree
take a
on
lift.
Chester number 19 that he is badly injured, but we have already given
Bro-
him a well first
Yeah.
aid to that.
Initial
to-
first
and
aid at the
he-
farmhouse only.
Chest number 19, I would like to give
Agenda
one
just
point.
number 9, we have already given initial first aid at the farmhouse only, so it will help the.
I would like to give one
And
point
then
that
to stabilize
as
the
it is a
situation
main
of
road.
him, to
Yes.
stabilize the situation of him, and we can take lift and as
Yes, it is a
the
main road.
bombing of the
And also,
bombing of
gentlemen,
the
as it is a
Shahabad
main road, we can
more
easily find a
severe
lift.
than the more severe than the injured person.
Because the
Okay,
more lives can
gentlemen,
be
now-
affected
now-
after
now-
that.
We can add more point also in the first problem. We can also inform at the Gunjanpur to the police about the situation of the.
But it takes very
Gentlemen,
long
I think there is no
to-
need.
Gentlemen, I think we have already discussed all the points and now we should discuss about the timings of the events. So,
Last 1 minute.
I think
Okay,
that
I think,
discuss the time and distance.
they will be.
we must conclude our plan like we have.
Gentlemen, we should discuss the time and distance. And we have
They will be
completed our
taking around 10 to 15 minutes at the farmhouse, providing initial first aid, and they will divide in group.
And taking out the dog also.
Dog also. Two people will be leaving for Gunjanpur and
It is 30 to 35 minutes.
At 3:45.
We have given the first aid, rescue the dog, and after that
And then
we
we
will
will
take
leave
we'll
for
take
CRPF
our
camp.
10 kilometers to Gunjanpur.
And at the same
it is-
time, 4 of us
And it
will
will
go to the
take only
Sabah.
30 to 40 minutes.
Yes,
Remain there.
simultaneously at 4 o'clock, we will reach the Gunjanpur hospital, and simultaneously at 4 o'clock we will reach at the junction point, and after that around that
We will
is
divide the
around
group
5
and,
or 5 to 6 kilometers, and CRPF camp is also 4 to
It
5
will take-
kilometers.
So we can at the junction point, they can divide them into group and
I
they
think
will.
that, gentlemen, the
subgroups.
CRPF camp is around 3 kilometers. It will take.
It will take 5 to 10 minutes.
minutes.
Yeah. more than that.
3 to 4 kilometers. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes also.
And in the next 25 minutes, there is
So around 4:15, they will reach to CRPF camp, and 4:30 they will reach the Shabad railway station.
25 minutes to take defuse the bomb at there with bomb squad.
4:10.
No, 4:25 because approximately we will reach at junction.
I think, gentlemen, we should take.
Cover that
I
distance
should.
from farmhouse to junction.
We should take 4:45.
Yes.
4:45 is the timing of
4:35.
I think that 4:10 is the time that
4:30 is
15
okay.
minutes they will be
And other
taking
people
at their.
will reach the Alibad at 4:45 before the.
Gentlemen, I think we should take 4:30. They reach the Shabad and inform the railway authority.
At Shabad they reach the 4:30, and at CRPF camp they reach the 4:10.
After solve the problem, all will be meet at the junction and they will.
reach at 4:30 at Shabad.
And gentlemen, as 4 people have already reached Shabad, the 6 people who are left, the 2 people
We should,
will come from
we should also
Gunjanpur.
have some buffer time that at 4:45 it is going to, as the group has already said that it is going to blast. So we should have some buffer time that in 15 minutes the all organization will have a fuss or just to diffuse the
so we
diffuse
can
the
say
bomb.
that-
It is not enough to have 15
So
minutes
gentlemen, I
only.
think
Yes,
that
so
we
I
should
think
say
we
that
can
we
consider
have
the time is
some more buffer time.
4:40.
Gentlemen,
I think we can
I
consider it 4:15 or 4:20.
Gentlemen, I think I am partially agree with you because the bomb is not blasting at 4:45. The train is leaving at 4:45. It will take it around.
No,
I think you have gentlemen, it was mentioned that at 4:45 the bomb will be blasting there. So gentlemen, we can simply make that.
Okay. So we are reaching at 4:30.
Okay, would like to conclude.
First discuss about our aim. Our aim is to reach Shabad before 6 p.m. and now we should discuss about the problems. The first problem is to save the life of the injured driver, and the second problem is to stop the bomb blast at the railway bridge. Third problem is to catch the culprits at the ruined fort, and the fourth and last problem is to save the life of dog. And now if we talk about the resources, we are having a group of 10 people, a van, a watchman, and we are taking a lift of vehicle which are moving on the road. And now if I talk about the solutions, all the problems will be solved simultaneously, and we have divided our group into 4, 4 and 2. And now if we talk about the solution, as we will first give the first aid to the injured person, and we will, while repairing the van, we can also take out the dog from the well, and we will untie the watchman, and the 2 persons will take the van and will move towards Gunjanpur, and the distance is around 8 kilometers. It will take around them 15 to 20 minutes. And now if we talk about the remaining 8 people and the watchman, they will take a lift, and if the vehicle is also present at a farmhouse, jeep and something like that, they can take it and they will move towards the this junction point. And after reaching here, they will divide into 2 groups. I think the distance is around 5 to 7 kilometers. It will take them around 15 minutes, and they will divide into 2 groups. The 4 person and the watchman will go to the CRPF camp, and the 4 person will move towards Shahabad. And I think the distance is around, first they have taken 15 minutes, so they will reach here at 3:50, and then after that the distance is around 25 kilometers, so it will take them 30 minutes, so they will reach Shahabad before 4:25. Now if we talk about the CRPF camp, it is around 4 kilometers, so it will take them 10 minutes, and they will reach at 4 p.m. And now after reaching CRPF camp, the 4 people can inform the CRPF Jawans about the bomb blast at the railway bridge, and they can inform the bomb escort, so the bomb escort can also reach here, and the 4 people who have gone to Shahabad, they can also inform the RPF, and they can reschedule the train which is leaving at 3:45. Now this problem has been solved. The bomb squad will reach at railway bridge, and they will defuse the bomb, and also the railway police, the RPF team will also reach to the bridge. And now if we talk about the third problem, to catch the culprits at the ruined fort, the 4 people with the 4 people with the watchman and the CRPF Jawans, they can use a vehicle, as it is a CRPF camp. They can reach to the ruined fort, as I think the distance is around 8 kilometers, and also it is an unmetalled road, so it will take them around 25 minutes. And after reaching ruined fort, the four person can inform the police authorities at Alibad, while the CRPF Jawans will catch the culprits. And after completing all the tasks, the 2 persons who have gone to Gunjanpur will return to this point, and I think the distance is around 15 kilometers, 17 kilometers. So it will take them around 35 minutes. So at 5:15 they will meet here, and also the four person who have gone to Rune Fort, they will come here, and after meeting here 5:15 they can go to the Shahabad at 5:50.